Yeah. What's up, peeps? Just woke up again. Woke up, decided to come work in the garage. This may be the last video on the Miata, like working on it. The only thing I'm missing is the dash, which it's coming from eBay like Tuesday. I'm not gonna make a video on just that dash bezel. It just clicks in, there's 2 screws in the bottom, that's it. It's the only thing we're missing off of it right now. I've got no coolant in the radiator, it's just water. So we're going to clean it up. We're gonna drain it, flush it some more. Let me go ahead and dump that water. We're gonna flush it. I've got oil. We're gonna do another oil change on it, even though it's only got like 100 miles on it. Not even that, probably, like 50. I put Vaseline in the oil pump to help vacuum it and get it actually siphoning, because I guess that was a Mazda issue. Everyone said do it, be safer than sorry. So once it thins out, you lose your viscosity, and we're gonna get it out of there. So I got a new filter, new air filter, coolant, and some oil. We're gonna pull it outside, do the oil change on it, jack it up. I have a drain for oil somewhere around here. Probably use my old school bucket, get it all cleaned up, and I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna button it up, really. Tires are on. Tires looking fly. Nice and grippy. Took it for a test drive. Drive smooth for the gravel road that I have. But yeah, let me back this out real quick, and we'll get ready to work on it. That's about it. All right, I got it up on the front up. Just draining the oil right now. Put the new oil filter on. We're gonna let it drain in that bucket for a bit. I'm gonna put the oil in. I'm not over there because there's non-copyrighted music over there playing. So we're gonna get it done, and then I'm gonna put the ramps to the back of the car. So the radiator's down. The lowest point is the drain area, and then we're gonna do the water with the radiator coolant. But yeah, we're getting there. Oil came out milky, which I knew it would. Not like head gasket milky, but like Vaseline's in it. Cloudy, but still clean looking, which is good. But eventually they're getting hot and cold, that would wear out. We don't want that, so we're gonna put some fresh oil in her. Got the new oil filter on, and we'll go from there. There's really not much left to do, honestly, but yeah, that's it. We'll cut it here. I'll drain the car over. I'll put you on a time lapse, honestly, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the ramps to the back and let the water go downhill, so I can get all the motor going towards that radiator, and we'll go from there.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Well, to make sure you're not an idiot like me, make sure you, all you see is, make sure you get your little oil pan that pulled, drained the 3 quarts into. Make sure you pull it out from under the car so you don't knock it over. That was what happened to me. It's knocked over now. Not a big deal. I've got some dirt I'll clean it up with. Actually, I got this old towel. I'm gonna clean it up with it. Kind of depressing, but wasn't thinking. It was in the mode, which happens, but I got this one from the gear oil. We will clean it up, let it dry up, and then I'll put some more floor dry out and clean it. Good thing I didn't do it in the garage again, but yep, That's all freshly slash Vaseline oil. So I'm gonna clean this up and then we'll get to draining. Back to another time lapse. Damn. Not a big deal. But it was something that could have been dodged, but I didn't dodge. I need like a dunce cap right now. I'm in that kind of mode. Damn it. But
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
all right, now that we got it up to temp, this is all not leaking. I poured it over the top of this just to clean it up. I should have pushed it back outside, but I didn't want to. I got to clean the garage anyways. We got it up to temp. You notice right now, actually, we'll unplug our hat. It's idling at 900. Well, we're trying to set the idle screw for when it's in gear and such, and it's supposed to be right about there where it's at right now. So what we do to do that is you put this wire on the ground, which is, let me plug it in real quick and I'll show you. The ground right here, and then the 10 right here. You hear it idle up. That is putting it in where it's not controlled by anything in here. This is the idle would be if you're in gear and such. And it sounds higher than it's supposed to be. A little bit, 1100. So we're gonna knock it down a bit with a flathead. And we'll pop this screw off right here. Might be a little too loud for y'all to hear me. We got a flathead. Beep, boop, beep. And we will just kind of clockwise is going to make it go down. That's just the fan kicking on. But we'll turn it down just a little bit. See where that puts us at. That puts us at a little lower than 11. Put it in a little more. That sounds about right. And it's still there. A little more. Alright. Now that should be, there we go. It's right where we want it. We got it where it needs to be. So now we're gonna go take it for a ride. See how she, way healthier. We'll take it for a ride. Should be good. That's the end of this video. That's pretty much all the tune-up I had to do on the car. After spending 2 hours cleaning my daggone driveway, we got to finally finish this. But now that it's up to temp, I'm gonna go drive it just to make sure everything's good. But that'll be the end of this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Not really much crazy stuff going on right now, but besides my wet garage of oil. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna take it for a ride. That's it, guys. Keep saying guys, that's it. We're out. Yeah, we're out. I'll catch y'all later. The next one, and yes, I checked my dipstick when I leveled it back down. Make sure you do that when you put oil in a car. It's at its point. I'll plug this back in now. And I think it's time to take it for a spin. You guys have a good weekend. Enjoy the weather while it's nice, because it's very nice. I'm out, guys.